Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NUBIA Red Magic 5S, and let me share with you how to enable developer options on this device. So first of all, we have to enter the settings, and now let's scroll down in order to find About Phone. As you can see, we have to scroll down to the very bottom of the list. So let's tap on it, and right here we have to find the build number, which is right here, and it is crucial in order to actually activate the developer options, because we have to keep tapping on it until we will see that we are in the developer mode. As you can see, we are, and the developer options will immediately be opened. But here we've got, of course, the warning that it may affect the normal work of your device. You have to also be aware that you are doing it on your own responsibility, because the developer options are some kind of advanced options, so they may affect the device. So just tap on I agree, and as you can see, we've been immediately and automatically transferred to the developer options. Later on we will try to find them in the settings. So as you can see, here we've got plenty of advanced options which we can customize. So for example, we can show hardware layers updates, we can show visual feedback for tabs. Here we've got some options which are connected to Bluetooth and overall to the networking, and so on and so on. So we've got quite a lot of options, and in order to turn on the option, all you have to do is to simply tap on the switcher on it, and as you can see, it will be immediately activated and applied. Of course, you can turn it off the same way, and if you've got the options without the switcher, so for example, like here in the window animation scale, just tap on it in order to open much more advanced settings. So if you're done with customization of developer options, and if you'd like to turn them off, and then all you have to do is to simply take a look at this option bar. Here, let's say here we've got only one switcher, so just tap on it in order to turn them off. And as you can see, most of the options are inactive. And we can go back. As you can see, we are in the About Phone, and I'm not really sure where the developer options will appear in the settings. So let me turn them on again. Okay, and again they will be automatically opened. So let's go back to the general settings and try to find them, probably in advanced settings. And as you can see, the developer options are right here at the very bottom. So if you'd like to keep them turned on, then you will be able to find them in advanced settings. And again, if you'd like to turn them off, just tap on the switcher here, and after getting back, you can see that they will disappear from the advanced settings. So actually, this is it. This is how to enable developer options in your NUBIA Red Magic 5S. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.